Hi, I'm Elizabeth. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're invested in your future. Did you know an apprenticeship is an investment in your career, your education, and yourself? Whether you're currently employed or looking for work, or completing your education, or simply looking for options, an apprenticeship is for everyone.
Hey Michael, what is an apprenticeship?
That's a great question, Katie. An apprenticeship is a pathway to develop your career. Apprentices receive hands-on training and classroom learning. They also get paid work experience in their trade.
So I can earn while I learn?
That's right. Here are 5 facts about being an apprentice.
Fact number 1, apprenticeships are jobs. It's true. Apprentices' wages increase as their skills increase, like these apprentices are doing right now. You wouldn't know they're apprentices because they're learning while they're earning. You become an electrician, a machinist, tool and die maker, and the list goes on.
That's awesome. I heard that there are also apprenticeships offered in healthcare. There are healthcare apprenticeships for nurse assistants, medical assistants, surgical technicians, phlebotomists, and the list goes on.
Fact number 2, apprenticeship programs have very specific on-the-job training. When you become an apprentice, you'll have a mentor who works with you one-on-one, so you'll work with the pros. Mentors support you through the entire apprenticeship process, including coaching you, advising you, and motivating you.
Fact number 3. In addition to their on-the-job work experience, apprentices receive classroom or online training. This will help you build confidence and knowledge in your trade. Whether your classroom training is online or in person, you'll earn an industry-recognized credential, which will help you increase your wages long-term.
Fact number 4, apprenticeship programs recruit from the community and make quality careers accessible to everyone.
In Southwest Michigan, our top job industries are manufacturing, healthcare, hospitality, and there's even a high demand for commercial drivers. So in addition to the apprenticeships mentioned earlier, there are also apprenticeships offered in hospitality, such as hotel management, customer service, baristas, and even winemakers.
There are also apprenticeships offered in the trucking industry, where you can earn your commercial driver's license, also known as your CDL.
Fact number 5, once you complete your apprenticeship training, you get a certificate from the U.S. Department of Labor. This is a portable credential and gives you the ability to work anywhere in your trade. Let's hear what a current apprentice has to say.
Hi, I'm Mitchell. I'm an apprentice at Hanson International. I'm 2 years in my apprenticeship, and at the end of my 4-year apprenticeship, I'll be a die designer. My favorite thing in the apprenticeship is that I'm always constantly learning. They offer to pay for my schooling, and there's a lot of guys in the shop that have such high knowledge of the trade, and they're willing to pass it on and teach it to the younger generation. If you're interested in pursuing the apprenticeship, you earn while you learn, so there's plenty of opportunities to take advantage of, and don't be afraid to take that next step.
At Hanson International, apprenticeship programs are a key part of our human capital succession strategy. We leverage these programs to cultivate the next generation of leaders and skilled talent. For us, apprenticeships are mutually beneficial. Our experienced team provides hands-on guidance and fundamentals, sharing their knowledge and experiences. Apprentices often bring fresh perspectives and new ideas to our workforce. Their unique viewpoints inspire our experienced team to think creatively and embrace new approaches.
Thank you for tuning in. Apprenticeships are for everyone, and they're a great investment in your future.
If you're ready to explore apprenticeships further, please let us know by completing our interest form.
We can't wait to connect with you.